Good morning this Monday, the 15th of July. I'm Grady Wolf, market analyst with Bell Direct. Wall Street re-entered record territory on Friday after a slight pullback on Thursday, following the release of positive inflation data earlier in the week as investors look out of the AI rally to capitalise on attractive investment opportunities across the broader market. The Dow Jones rose 0.62% on Friday to top 40,000 points for the first time ever, while the S&P500 and Nasdaq rose 0.55% and 0.63% respectively. The banks fell on Friday despite positive, stronger results than expected, with JPMorgan shares sliding 1.2% despite topping Q2 revenue expectations, and Citi fell 1.8% also despite beating on the top and bottom lines in Q2. Over in Europe, markets closed higher across the region on Friday, with the STOXX 600 rising 0.97%, driven by telecom stocks after strong second quarter results boosted stocks in the sector. Germany's DAX rose 1.15% on Friday, the French CAC added 1.27%, and in the UK, the FTSE 100 ended the day up 0.36%. Across the Asia markets on Friday, it was a mixed finish to the week across the region, with Japan's Nikkei falling over 2% after hitting record highs in previous sessions. Hong Kong's Hang Seng rose 2.6% on Friday, South Korea's Kospi Index fell 1.18%, and China's CSI Index rose 0.12%, after Chinese exports beat expectations with a rise of 8.6% year-on-year in June, indicating further recovery in the region post-pandemic. Locally on Friday, the ASX 200 rose 0.88% to a record close, with every sector aside from the tech sector ending the day higher, led by real estate stocks jumping almost 2%. The price of gold topped $2,400 late last week, which boosted local gold miners, including Bellevue Gold rising 1.5%, Spartan Resources soaring over 7%, and Gold Road Resources jumping at 2.3%. The easing of inflation data out of the US was the key driver of the gold price rally, as markets are now pricing in a rate cut out of the Fed by September. The local big banks rallied on Friday, with CBA closing the day at a record $131.60 a share, taking its market cap to $221 billion, making it the largest company on the ASX. Ahead of the first trading session of the new trading week, the SPY futures are anticipating the ASX to open the day up 0.64% on the back of Wall Street's strength on Friday. On the commodities front this morning, oil is trading 0.15% higher at $82.34 a barrel. Gold is down 0.16% at $2,407 an ounce, and iron ore is flat at $109.58 a ton. The Aussie dollar has strengthened again to buy 68 US cents, 107.14 Japanese yen, 53.04 British pence, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 11 cents. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter has increased the 12-month price target on Coventry Group from $1.80 to $2, and maintain a buy rating on the Industrial Supplies and Services Group following the release of a strong trading update out of the company for Q4, including group sales growth of 4% and the outlook for FY24 EBITDA of 22% growth on FY23. And Trading Central has identified a bullish signal on IGO following the formation of a pattern over a period of 16 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may rise from the close of $6.07 to the range of $6.47 to $6.57, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all we have time for this Monday morning. Have a wonderful day and happy investing.